Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I hope that you're well. I am super excited because we're going to be trying out a color changing blush today, and I saw this on TikTok because this brand was on Shark Tank. I love watching Shark Tank. I love trying new makeup brands, and this product just intrigued me so much, and I thought y'all would be interested too. So like I said, this is a color changing blush. It's an oil formula that's supposed to have a reaction with your pH and just create the perfect blush color for you. And this is supposed to be really marketed towards people who don't like want to think too much with their blush or like have to pick out colors or undertones or anything. It's just supposed to look good on everyone. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited to see what the color ends up looking like on me, and I also hope that it'll have a beautiful glow because it is an oil. The owner also said that her makeup was made to be able to be slept in. I don't know that I'm going to be trying that today, but I think that is cool and interesting, and it's supposed to be all ingredients that are safe to sleep in, that don't mess with your skin and actually make your skin better. So if you'd like to see a full video where I try out multiple of their products and try sleeping in them, let me know. But I did just buy the blush for now because it was $36. So I was like, let me just try the blush, try the thing that intrigues me the most and see how it works. So here is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. It has a little star on top. So before I apply it to my face, let's just go ahead and do a swatch and see the color change because I'm so intrigued. So, oh, okay, that's pretty instantaneous. Ooh, okay, it's turning into a really cute light pink. Super pretty. I've definitely tried lip glosses that are a clear and then they end up turning a little bit more pink on your lips. I have a Sigma lip oil like that, but I have never tried a blush. And look at that, like that's so cute. Okay, I'm excited. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit just so that we can really see what is happening here. There we go. I did do foundation, concealer, but I didn't do any bronzer, any powder, anything like that because I really just wanted to see the shade of this by itself. So let's go ahead and just, it's turning pink so fast. Like I feel like in the video that I watched initially, it looked like it took like a second longer before it turned pink, but is that not the cutest pink shade? Okay. Okay, I might have done too much. Look at how pigmented it is on me. But it has a really pretty glow to it. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness, okay. I don't know what I was expecting. Like I definitely was excited about this, but I wasn't expecting it to be so pretty. It's so cute. Before, after, like, okay. I feel like this would be so nice to incorporate in a routine of just like very subtle, all like oil tint kind of products. Like just like a really soft no makeup routine. But it's such a pretty pink. I do believe they have the same product available where it's a tinted oil, but they have colors in case you're wanting to pick a specific color because the formula is really pretty. I could see, you know, if you want something that's like not so like cool tone pink. I mean, it's going to look a little different on everyone, but it's definitely a very pinky shade. I went in with just slightly less on this side. It's still pretty. It still has that glow to it, but I definitely like it here. Like a little bit more pigmented, like just giving all of the pink vibes. I'm just gonna go with a little bit more. It is so cool. I honestly don't even feel like I need to add a highlighter on top because it has such a glow, but I did kind of want to add just like a little bit of bronzer just to see what it looks like because I typically do like to use bronzer. This is just the Rare Beauty bronzer, and don't you hate when your sponge just rolls off of your makeup desk or whatever you're using and it's there and like I could pick it up, but then I like have to get up, so now I'm not gonna use it. And also I forgot to say this before, but I did apply the blush and like blend it in with my fingers just because that's what the owner did on Shark Tank when I was watching the video. So I thought I may as well just go ahead and apply it the way that it's recommended to try it the first time. Okay, so the bronzer, I will say this bronzer already blends beautifully, so I wasn't worried about that, but it's definitely blending together nice. Normally I would do bronzer first, but I just wanted to see what the blush looked like by itself and like really give it its moment. And honestly, I would be happy with using the blush by itself for a natural look. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just can't stop. Like, I just want to apply more because it's so cute. Maybe let's just do like just one more dot. My hair is sticking to it a little bit. It is an oil. It is a little sticky, but just a little more. Come on. Might even take a little bit of this. Actually, I'm just gonna try it on my lips because it's an oil. Like, why not? It turned into a cute little soft pink moment. I'm not sure how it's gonna last, but like, why not use it on your lips and your cheeks? So overall, I would say that I am impressed. I initially bought this just because I thought it was really cool. The fact that it's color changing is what made me want to buy it, but now like having it on my skin, I love the color. I love the finish. Like, it looks so pretty. I definitely want to try this with no other makeup and just see if it looks cute, because apparently you can sleep in it, so I'll have to give that a test. But overall, I'm excited about it. I'm happy that I own it. I would love to know if you guys are interested in trying this, or if you've heard of this before. If you already tried it, let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.